People say a lot of things about aviation, but never listen to these experts. The truth is aviation is the fastest growing sector in India. The demand for new pilots is going high like crazy. Currently Jet and Indigo have ordered more than 600 planes, altogether. That is the double of planes operated in India, so yes, in the next few years there will be a lot of new jobs. These cadet programs are the proof of it. They made these because they need pilots. In this video we will be exploring about such new cadet pilot program. That is Jet Airways Cadet Pilot Program. Friends, before starting this video I would like to request you that if you are new to our channel and you haven't subscribed this channel yet, then make sure to hit the subscribe button below. This is surely gonna help you a lot. So without wasting any more time, let's roll and get started. Friends, CAE is very proud to have been selected as the training partner of choice of Jet Airways' first cadet pilot program. CAE and Jet Airways share a relationship that spans over a decade, with the provision of Boeing 737NG pilot training as well as maintenance support services at CAE's Bengaluru Training Center. Jet Airways currently owns 4 CAE-built full-flight simulators, including 1 Airbus A330 FFS, 2 Boeing 737NG and 1 Boeing 777-300ER FFS. The 6-bay CAE Training Center is located near the Bengaluru International Airport at Devanahalli, which is operational since late 2008. It is the first non-airline training center to earn approval as a fixed-wing type rating training organization by DGCAE. Let's check eligibility criteria to apply. Applicants must meet the following 7 criteria to be considered for the Jet Airways program. 1. Nationality. Applicants must be of Indian nationality, or hold an overseas citizenship of India. 2. Minimum age. Applicants must be 18 years or older at the time of registering for the program. 3. Maximum age. 30 years at time of appearing for selection in Phase 1. 4. Educational qualification. Achieved a minimum score of 55% in physics, mathematics and English in 10+2 exam individually. 5. Be in good physical condition with appropriate weight and height. 6. Possess a valid Indian, Class 1 medical certificate, with no limitations. 7. Be fluent in English, both written and verbal. Note: if an applicant has graduated with physics and math or engineering with a mark of 55% or more, the eligibility criterion of 12th with 55% except in English can be overlooked. Also note, candidates not possessing an Indian Class 1 medical can apply for the Jet Airways program with a Class 2 medical. However, they must possess an Indian Class 1 medical prior to commencing on the program. Now let's check course outline. This course comprises 2 phases of training. Phase 1. This phase provides cadets with the training required to obtain a commercial pilot license (CPL) with a multi-engine instrument rating and to complete the required multi-engine piloting experience. Once the selection criteria are met, the Academy will manage visa documentation for the United States. Cadets will induct at the CAE Academy in Phoenix to begin their ABIN flight training for the CPL, multi-engine instrument rating, and the upset prevention and recovery training operate. Upon completion of their CPL training in the US, the cadets will transfer to CAE's Academy in India, where they will undertake the DGCA Theoretical Knowledge Ground School, ground exams and required conversion flights for the DGCA licensing. Phase 2. Once the cadets have obtained their CPL, they move on to the type rating trail training phase to qualify as a co-pilot on the Boeing 737 aircraft. Type rating training will be conducted at one of CAE's training centers in India. The duration of the CPL training is planned at 18 months, which comprises 12.5 months in the United States for a flight school and UPE-ready training, 3 months of ground school in India for the theoretical knowledge training, and a further 2 weeks of license conversion training at the Gondia campus upon return from the U.S. The Boeing 737 type rating is planned at an additional 2.5 months. However, DGCAE licensing, scheduling, cadet performance, weather, and any other delays can extend the duration of the cadet program. Now let's check the selection process. Selection Phase 1. CAE. Aircrew Selection System. CAS. Candidates will perform 2 online profiling tests before presenting themselves at the CAE Assessment Center in Gurgaon, Delhi for an interview, physical assessment, psychometric test and a debriefing session. Selection Phase 2. Applicants who are successful in selection during Phase 1 will be invited to attend the Selection Phase 2 with Jet Airways. Fees for the course. Jet Airways Cadet Pilot Program, DGCA Commercial Pilot License CPL Program, and Boeing 737 type rating is $128,035. That is around 85 to 90 lakhs Indian rupees. The following support products and services are included in this prices. Ground Theory Training Manuals, CBT's Online Learning Management System LMS, Flight Bag and Headset, iPad and AVR book license for electronic flight bag IFB, uniform, navigation, landing and approach fees, testing and license fee package, FAA Medical, JCA Theoretical Examinations, Initial Transport Security Agency TSA, fingerprinting and USA Visa Administration. Room-only accommodation in Gondia and Phoenix, includes internet, upset recovery and prevention training, accident and health insurance, communications practical course. Funding. Please contact your local or personal bank to discuss financing options. All nationalized banks in India provide eligible aspiring pilots with educational loans for commercial pilot license (CPL) training at a reasonable interest rate along with a flexible repayment plan. Banks offering competitive interest rates include Axis Bank, Bank of Baroda, Corporation Bank, State Bank of India. Investing in a career as a professional airline pilot is a significant decision for you and your family. Frequently asked questions. How do I arrange travel arrangements to Phoenix, USA? The air travel between India and Phoenix, USA is not included in the published course and is the candidate's responsibility. The arrangements of travel and visa should be arranged by the candidate. Staff will assist you for the smooth function of the process. Cadets must travel in a group and must arrive in Phoenix on the same flight. If required, our staff will assist you with the group booking, who will pay for my medical insurance during training. Medical insurance for the stay at India is highly recommended and it is to be borne by the candidate. The medical insurance at Phoenix, USA is included in the fees. Does the fee include the cost of medical fees and DGCA exam fees? The fees does not include the cost of the DGCA exams and DGCA medical exam. However, the fee related to exams at Phoenix, USA are included. Candidates are advised to commence the FAA medical as soon as possible after confirmation to the course to ensure there is no delay to the commencement of flight training in Phoenix, USA. What are the required documents to be produced before training? 10th. Mark sheet. 12th. Mark sheet. Graduation if candidate is graduate. Science or B or Tech. Medical certificate Class 1 and Class 2. Valid Indian passport. Note, all the specified documents should be submitted before a week from the date of screening. Where will I stay during training and who will arrange it? Accommodation is included during your time in the U.S., and arrangements are made by the customer service team with the Academy in Phoenix. On return to India, CAE will make arrangements for your stay during the license conversion training during the Boeing 737NG type rating training. The pilot is responsible for their own travel arrangements. Who will arrange my visa for training, if applicable? CAE will facilitate the visa process. However, you will be responsible to obtain your own visa at your cost and other necessary travel-related documents in relation to the training. So that's all for the Jet Airways Cadet Pilot Program. Hope you might have got a complete idea of the program. If yes, then please hit the like button below and also subscribe our channel for aviation videos and guidance. Thanks for watching.